Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing, try-on, tutorial, and review. I review each of the products in here. I let you know the total price of the box, and then I give you an honest review on what I think about the products. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. And if you want to see what's in the box, what I think about the products, how much they cost, then please continue watching. So I guess we'll start by pointing out the obvious. Yes, I did just get my hair done. The color is actually titanium, so the undertone of it is very blue. I just got it done yesterday, so once I wash it a few times it will fade into the gray that it's supposed to be, and then after that, as I keep washing it, the gray will eventually fade out and it'll go back into my blonde. So I just wanted a color that I would be able to keep my blonde. So the two options were purple and gray. So I don't know, I might stick with gray for a little bit and then maybe go purple. Who knows? I don't know yet, but just wanted to talk about what's going on here. So all I have done so far to my face is nothing. Because the first product in the box is actually a cleanser. This month's theme is Afterglow, and then on the back of the sheet you've got all the details about each of the products. The first product is a cleanser, so I'm going to just wash my face here. I got like a bowl with water and hopefully I don't make a mess, but that's what I'm going to be doing. The first product is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. And this retails for $22 on its own. Let's wash the face. I just have a bowl of water. I hope I do not make a mess. Why is there dog hair in this bowl of water? Fucking bear. It's not even in the room. Right off the bat, I do not like the smell of the soap, or the cleanser, sorry. It's very gentle on the skin, which I like. I'd rather just no scent at all. But it was like a really strong smell. My face feels very nice, so I do like the way my face feels right now, and I haven't applied any toner or anything, so it does feel soft. I don't know, I will use this again. I do like that it also washes your makeup and everything, but this is something you will have to use more than just the one time to know if you are actually into it or not. For my first time, I do really like the product. It again, my face feels very soft. Usually it feels really dry after I wash my face, and it doesn't feel dry. It was very gentle. I just didn't like the smell, but overall I like the product. I'm just going to do the rest of my skincare off of camera, and I will be right back. So I've applied all of my skincare products. Next we're moving on to primer. So for primer today we have the Touch and Sol No Problem Primer. That is a tongue twister. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Sol No Problem Primer. The lightly silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Ooh. And this retails for $18 on its own. Ooh. Feels more like a moisturizer. Like the Professional, like the Benefit Professional Primer is more of a thicker consistency. This feels more like a moisturizer, which I'm not mad at. I'm not mad at this at all. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love that it's more of a moisturizer consistency rather than a thicker primer. I like it. So I'm going to move on to my brows, my eyes, my face. I'm going to do all of that off of camera just because the next few products are none of those. Yeah. So I'll let you know how I feel about the foundation on the skin once I'm back. But yeah, I'm going to do all of that off of camera and I will be right back. So I'm back and I have completed all of my face except for a few things that are in the box, and I've done most of my eyes. So I'm just going to continue with the eyes. And in the box we received the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates coats and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while the film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. And this on its own retails for $24. I forgot to mention that the foundation sits very nicely on top of the primer. It's just because it's winter and it's really bad here in Canada, my skin is just pissed off at me right now. And it's dry and it's just like, get this shit off my skin. Moisturize, 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 nothing else. So right now my skin isn't liking it too much, but that's not the product. But anyways, I'm gonna put the mascara on. So it definitely lengthens it. My lashes are not clumpy whatsoever. I love this mascara, I'm not gonna lie. I've already tried it before. I tried the waterproof and I used it on my bottom lashes, and man was it waterproof. It was so hard to get off. But I really do like this formula, just the regular formula. They did lengthen, they're not clumpy, they are like voluminous. They're nice. I like it. I like this product. I will continue to use this. Next we received the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Shimmering Swan. So this says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light reflecting and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. And this on its own retails for $32. Let's test it out. It's not a blinding highlighter, but it does look very nice on the skin. It's not like woo, you know, like the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighters, but it's a nice touch to the skin. It's very, very pretty. Honestly, this is one that I will continue to use when I don't want it to be so crazy. But wow, like it's really nice. Last but not least, we received the Trestique Prime in Color Lip Glaze in English Rose. So this says, this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. And this on its own retails for $25. I really do like the shade. So the applicator itself is like a rectangular shape, so it's quite weird and very hard to apply on the lip. But the product itself is really nice. I love how like there's a nice gloss to it, there's a nice shine to it. It's a very nice subtle shade. It's very pretty. I like it. And there's a primer on the bottom. Shit. Okay, so I didn't read that properly. When it said primer inside, I assumed that it was already like included in the thing, but so I accidentally skipped the step, but it doesn't smell like anything. Oh, I really wished I would have tried it. Whatever, Trevor. The lip color itself is really nice. Okay? Okay, so I fucked up. Alright? So the lip product was the last product. I'm just going to finish getting ready and I will be back just to go over the total of the box and tell you what I think about this month's box. I'll be right back. So I'm back and I am done getting ready. I've just totaled everything in the box, and this month the box came up to $121 for all of the products, and I paid $40 for the box. So that being said, did I like this month's box? I honestly did. I just want to recap all my thoughts. Strong scent, but I love the way it felt, and yeah, my skin felt really nice after. The primer, it's very smooth. I love the consistency. It's more of a cream consistency rather than a thicker primer. I think it did a really good job filling up my pores. The only problem is that my skin is very dry, so right now my skin isn't agreeing with anything. So it's not the primer, it's my skin, because my foundation is sitting a little weird on my skin. But it's not the primer, it's everything that I apply to my skin right now is just saying fuck you. The mascara, everybody always hears great things about this mascara, so it's an amazing mascara, no joke. The Better Than Sex waterproof mascara is just as amazing, and I only use it on my bottom lashes because my eyes are very watery. But this formula is also very good. It's amazing. It holds a curl. My lashes look longer. I didn't put any falsies on so you could see the finished product, and they look nice. They look very nice. The highlighter, I love this highlighter. It's really cute. It's a subtle highlighter. It's not like in your face, holy shit in here, but it's subtle. It's very pretty. It's a very nice shade as well. I love it. And last but not least was the lip product. My dumbass didn't read it properly, so I messed up and I didn't apply the primer, but that's not a big deal because I applied the lip product on anyways. But I would have liked to try this, but I'm not going to remove it to do it. No way. But I do like that there's a lip primer and a lip product. That's actually pretty awesome. And then the only issue that I had is that like it's such a weird, it's like a rectangular shape. It's so weird, so it's a little hard to apply on the lip, but the color itself is beautiful. There's great pigment. It's glossy. There's a nice shine to it. It's very pretty. I absolutely love this one's box. It looks like all the products are so good. And yeah, like I highly recommend the box. I'm paying $40 a month and I'm getting $121 worth of products, and it's different every month depending on what you get, but it's never less than $100. So, you know, weigh it out. It's great. That completes my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Calendula oil. Here we have the Touch in Sol. Wow. No problem. That's gonna be a tongue twister. I will be right back with like the box to, oh my god.